In this video, we are going to show you how easy it is to transform a Windows computer into a dedicated recording server for security cameras. The idea here is to use your computer as a secure recording server that will save your camera footage exactly the same way a memory card does, constantly deleting older videos and overwriting them with new ones whenever your computer hard drive gets full. This ensures that even if your camera stops working or if someone physically breaks or steals it, you will never lose your recorded data. The very first thing we need to do is create the dedicated folder where the security camera videos will be saved. You can create this folder anywhere on your computer, but we are going to create it directly in the C drive. Let's create a new folder and name it Camera. And inside it, we will create another folder named Rec. Now we need to download and install FileZilla Server. Simply go to the official webpage and download the installer, making absolutely sure to download the server version and not the client version. Once the download is complete, open the folder where the installer was saved and double-click it to start setting up the server. If a prompt appears asking you to create a password, simply type your desired password into both fields. Please note that this password is not the one the camera will use to record files onto the computer. It is actually the administrator password to access the server configuration settings. When you finish typing the password in both fields, click Next. If your password is too simple, just like in our case, a warning message will pop up. If you prefer to create a stronger password, you can click No and type a better one. Otherwise, you can just click Yes to move forward. When the installation finishes, click on the Connect to Server button. On the next screen, enter the password you just created and click OK. Next, click on Server at the top menu, then click on Configure. And inside the window that opens, click on Users to create a new user profile for your camera. Click the Add button located in the Users column and choose a name for this new user. Right after that, we will create a secure password for the camera by typing it into this specific field. Now we need to link the folder where the videos will be saved. Go back to the folder we created at the beginning, click on the Windows Explorer address bar, and copy the full folder path. Go back to the server setup and click the Add button inside the Mount Points area. In the Virtual Path field, type a single / and in the Native Path field, paste the folder path we just copied. To finalize this configuration, click Apply and then click OK. Now we need the automation script that will automatically delete older recordings whenever your hard drive gets full. This ensures that you always have plenty of free space for brand new recordings, and your security camera will never stop saving data, exactly the same way it does with a standard memory card. We are leaving this script file completely free for download in the description and in the pinned comment below. Simply download the file and copy it wherever you want on your PC. We're going to copy it right inside our main camera folder. After copying it, open the file using a code editor or a simple text editor like Notepad. You must update the file path to point to the exact folder where your video files are being saved. You can also customize the percentage of disk space that triggers the script to start clearing out the oldest videos. We have it set to 70% by default. This means that as soon as your hard drive reaches 70% capacity, the script automatically triggers and deletes the oldest video files. However, you can change this percentage to whatever number fits your workflow. Our next step is installing Python on the computer, in case you do not have it installed yet. Go to the official Python website and download the latest Windows version. Once the installer finishes downloading, run it to complete the installation on your operating system. Now that Python is fully installed, the next step is to create an automated Windows task to execute this script periodically. This will ensure that old videos are wiped out automatically whenever your storage starts to fill up. To do this, Search for Task Scheduler in your Windows Start menu and open the program. On the right side panel, look for the Create Basic Task option and click on it. In the wizard setup that appears, type any name you want for this automated task and click Next. In the Triggers tab, select Daily and click Next. Leave the next setting as it is and click Next again. In the Action tab, make sure the Start a Program option is selected and click Next. In the Program field, type Python. In the Add Arguments field, add the full path to your script inside quotation marks. To get this, go to the folder where you place the script, click on the address bar, and copy the path. Paste it inside the quotation marks. Type a / right after it, then type or paste the exact name of the script file, including the extension, and close the quotation marks. Click Next, and then click Finish. Now, find your newly created task in the list, double-click it. Go to the Triggers tab and click Edit. Check the box that says Repeat Task Every and set the time interval to 10 minutes. For the option that says for a duration of, select Indefinitely. Click OK to save changes and click OK once more. Expand the last run result column to verify if everything is operating correctly. If it is working fine, it will display the status stating the task is currently running. If it displays an error saying the system cannot find the file specified, it means you need to provide the exact location of the Python executable. Double-click the task again. Navigate to the Actions tab and click Edit. Click the Browse button. Find the folder where the Python executable is located, click on it and click Open. If you do not know where Python is installed, simply open your command prompt or CMD and type where Python. The very first line of the output usually shows the exact installation path. Just copy that path, paste it into the program script field or the file name field and click Open. Then click OK to save your changes. If everything is configured correctly, it will now display the text stating the task is currently running. To finish our setup, you can now configure your security camera to send the video streams directly to your computer. This local server setup can be used with IP cameras, DVRs, NVRs, and surveillance devices from any brand. The exact steps to configure this option will vary depending on your camera brand. In this tutorial, we are using an ICSee camera as our practical example, and we are configuring it through the official VMS software on the PC. But if your specific device is different and you need some extra help, just leave a message down in the comments, or contact our specialized remote technical support team, and we will guide you through the process step by step. This support service is completely free for subscribers of our channel. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video to get access to this premium benefit. Once your camera is fully configured, as soon as it detects any movement, it will immediately send the recorded video file to our local server folder. This specific camera model we are using for this example sends both video files and static snapshots. And whenever your hard drive gets full, our script will automatically free up space by deleting the oldest files. And thus, the video has come to an end. May God bless you all, and we'll see you in the next video.